Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can update DaVinci Resolve software for the free. If you want to update, just go to search bar and search DaVinci, click on DaVinci Resolve and you will see that your software is opening now, and here you will receive a pop-up window. If you don't receive a pop-up window for the update, and if you don't receive the pop-up window here, then go to the project, open a project and click on the DaVinci Resolve and then click check for updates. Now you will see that you will receive a pop-up window, update available. It's for free. You can click on the download option and you will see that the DaVinci Resolve update is downloading automatically. It will take some time. Now as you can see, the update file is downloaded. Click on it and it's expanding the update file. Now click on DMG file. Now click on install Resolve. You will see, first of all you will see the introduction of new update version. Just simply you can read it and then click on continue. After read me, click on continue, license, continue and click on agree on it. In the installation type, it will show you how much space it needs to install this update. Click on install option. Then you have to type the password and click on install software. Now you can see that installation is successful. The software was installed. Close it. And the setup file, if you want to keep it, then click on keep. If you want to delete it, then click on move to bin and click this box. Now I'm closing. Now you can see that what is new in the DaVinci Resolve 21.